Governor Steve Beshear spent just over 20 minutes in trying to convince lawmakers that his proposal to fix the state budget and add slots at horse racing tracks is best for the people of the Commonwealth. Governor Beshear began his appeal by highlighting the plight he says many Kentuckians are going through.
In short, day by day, our people are suffering.
So he says lawmakers are needed to plug a $1 billion budget hole by not raising taxes or cutting essential services. Instead, federal stimulus money will be used and $200 million in state spending will be cut. Then it was on to talking about economic incentives and the most controversial issue, more gaming options at horse racing tracks.
If we don't act now, our racetracks face declining status and even the certainty of closure.
Slots face a very uncertain road in both chambers. Senate President David Williams sees little chance of it passing there.
I don't think we need to be here for slots because there's an alternative proposal.
That's to avoid the gambling route and instead focus on taxes on lottery tickets.
But if you have a proposal on the table that will supplement the purses and take care of the Breeders' Fund, there's absolutely no reason to suffer the social consequences.
There's also a new proposal to use some slots money to build new schools, but the governor says bottom line, Kentucky needs to do something to keep racing strong in this state.
Racetracks in other states are using lucrative purses and breeders' incentives to siphon away some of our greatest equine athletes.
Now, even if this issue does pass the General Assembly, it is expected to face a legal challenge. This morning, Attorney General Jack Conaway issued his opinion stating that he thinks it will stand up to the legal litmus test. Reporting at the state capitol in Frankfort, I'm Phil Pendleton.
Thank you, Phil. Lawmakers agree that the budget proposal could pass both chambers by Friday, but the slots issue could push the $60,000 a day session into next week or even